In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image on Wix Studio. If you want to make a section of your website feel more polished, more branded, or simply more visually interesting, adding a background image is a great way to do it. Wix Studio makes this process pretty straightforward. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly, so you can follow along inside your editor without any confusion. To begin, open your Wix Studio editor and go to the page or area where you want to make the change. Once you are there, click directly on the specific section where you want the background image to appear. It's important to select the correct section first, because the background will only apply to the section you choose. After that, look over to the right side of the screen and click the inspector icon. This opens the right-hand panel, which gives you access to the settings for the section you currently have selected. If you don't see the options you expect, double-check that the section itself is selected and not a text box, button, or another element inside it. With the inspector panel open, scroll down until you find the background section. This is where you can control how the section looks behind your content. Inside that area, go to the media option and click Add Image or Video. This is the place where Wix Studio lets you bring in visual media to use as the background for that section. At this point, you will be able to choose where your background image comes from. You can upload your own file if you already have a custom image ready to use. You can also browse the Wix or Unsplash gallery if you want to pick from built-in professional images or select something from your existing site files if you have already uploaded media before. Choose the option that works best for your project and click on the image you want. Once you've selected the image, click Change Background. That applies the image to your chosen section so you can immediately preview how it looks in your design. As a quick tip, after adding your image, take a moment to check that your text and other content still stand out clearly on top of the background. A good background should support your design, not make it harder to read. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.